Hello, this is my demonstration of my project 4. First I'll just begin by compiling it, and basically the way it works is you just specify the amount of the amount you want to simulate. So if we just simulate 1, you'll see it going through the routine where it calls, speaks to an operator, buys a ticket, hangs up. Of course, since it's only 1, it's not really constrained by the number of lines or operators. So for a more extreme example, I'm just gonna have it simulated 100 in the background, so I'll just have it go into a text file and just do it in the background while we can talk about it just simulating 10. So let's I say I have it simulate 10. What you can see in here, once the terminal stops moving, that you have these first 5 all being able to get a line, having the line ring. But of course, only threads 1, 2, 3, the first 3, actually get to speak to an operator, and after that, they basically speak for a second, kind of simulate the talking, and then afterwards, you see, they buy a ticket, they start hanging up, and of course, next you have, the one that didn't get in with the operator before, thread 4, is able to speak with the operator. Same thing with 5. And of course, in the meantime, each time they finish, each time they hang up, that opens up a new line. So all of a sudden, thread 6 that had a busy signal before is able to get in, and of course it continues and continues until all of them are finished. And what you'll be able to see is that each thread is unique. Each thread has a unique number. It goes there's 10 threads, and it goes all the way from 1 to 10. And of course, we can look into the larger file, the 100 simulated ones. So if we just cat that and you grab, say, 78, what you can see is, and of course this is just to show that it finished in the background, running that in the background. And you see, thread 78, it didn't get in, busy signal, busy signal. Of course, it prints that each time it makes an attempt, which is every second. Eventually, it's able to get a line, and of course, you just see one of this message, because it's a unique ID. And of course, it's just like before, where once it gets to everyone, once everyone hangs up, it finally says we've finished processing all the callers, and the program is done.